Hello traders, welcome back to another video. This video is a short update on KFin technologies. It is clearly visible on the chart that this zone, that is 989 to 1062, is the support zone. That is, people prefer to buy KFin technologies when the price range is between 989 to 1062.35. That is good for us. And one resistance zone is from 1306 to 1386. Reason being that this 1386.95 was highest price recently, and then from 1306 we can see wicks forming after the upper wicks. That is, sellers were more active and the closing price was below the opening price. That's why we have red candles. These are basically spinning tops. Then a big red candle. Now this line 1159.35 is a very hard resistance zone or line, whatever you would like to put this line as. Now this is a very hard resistance. Reason being that KFin Technologies touched this price multiple times, but it was not able to close above this price. There are multiple reasons. One is that one big player sold its stake earlier, that's why the price fell down, even though the earnings were a little bit positive. This support zone is also responsible for creating head and shoulders pattern. That is the inverse head and shoulders pattern. This is the left shoulder, this is the head, this is the right shoulder. So we can conclude that sellers were active, then buyers became active. They pushed the price to 1159. Then again sellers were active, they pushed the price to 1160.25. Buyers again became active. Then again they pushed the price to 1159. Sellers again became active. Again, they sold their shares. KFin Technologies went down to 1140 something. Then again, buyers became active. Now this is a spinning candle. That's why 1159.35 is a very crucial resistance zone. Once we get a very good closing, that is a good volume closing above this 1159.35 price, let's say 1075 or something like that, then we can expect KFin Technologies to touch this zone, that is 1300. Now I'm still holding my KFin Technologies. I have a lot of shares of KFin Technologies and the average price is around 1320 something or 312 something. I am pretty confident that because KFin Technologies is a big player in mutual fund segment